Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jem from Jem's Floral Studio, a florist in Staffordshire, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make this stunning bridal bouquet. Now, so what we're going to need for this tutorial is some floristry scissors, some ribbon scissors, some waterproof floristry tape, and some satin ribbon to tie around our stems. So in my artificial bouquet today, I'm going to be using some blush pink roses, some cream hydrangea, we've got some white roses, and we've got eucalyptus foliage, as well as a draping satin bow on our stems. But you can use any colour palette you want and any flowers you want because the principle is all going to be the same. So let's get on with it. Okay, so I've got all the flowers that I need in this basket here. So first of all, what we need to do, I'm going to start off with a focal flower, and I'm going to use a blush rose for this. So this is where the eye is going to be drawn to in the bouquet. And then I'm just going to add some cream hydrangea for some depth. Now please do put the stems in at an angle. If you watched our previous video before, we talk about how to make a hand-tied bouquet. Now this is the same principle, but we're doing a more compact bouquet. So we hold our hands right near the top of the heads of the stems, so the flowers are together. We don't want any gaps in a bridal bouquet, especially in a posy. And then I'm going to just add some eucalyptus around it. I think I'm going to do 3 stems. Then the joy of making a bridal bouquet is there's no really real set rules. So in a hand tied, it has to be like in a triangle shape, so it's like red, 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 pink, pink, pink. But in a bridal bouquet, it doesn't matter, you've got freedom to create. So I'm just going around adding all the flowers. Just make sure that the colours are equally distributed, unless you're making a sort of ombre effect. So now we have completed our posy shape, and you should have something like this. And then we're going to go on to wrapping the bouquet. So we're going to get our waterproof floral tape. You can get this from your supplier or Amazon. Make sure the foliage is nowhere to be seen under my fingers. Under the binding point is a big no. So then we're just going to, I'll come closer to the camera, just tie the tape around the binding point like so, making sure all the stems are nicely secure. Just a few times. You don't want to be seeing the mechanics. The bride surely doesn't want to see the mechanics either. So just make sure it's just nice and secure like this. You can do that. And there we have it, we have our bridal posing. Now all we're going to have to do next is we are going to get our cream satin ribbon, probably about a metre long. Then just cut the ribbon like so. Then we are going to go back to the bouquet binding point, pop the ribbon on the binding point to the centre so that the length is the same size. Then we're just going to wrap around once, just as a tie, like this. And then just do a bow shape, like so. And then if you want the ribbon draping down more, you can do. I'm just going to cut that bit so it's nice and equal, like so. And there we have it, our beautiful blush and neutral posy bridal bouquet. So if you like this video, please subscribe, give us a like, and maybe a comment, ask any questions that you like. We do weekly videos, and next week we are going to be doing a teardrop bouquet, which is going to be in fresh. So yeah, have a lovely day, guys.